The world is packed with car myths. From bogus advice about oil changes to tire pressure myths that put your safety at risk, these aren't just funny, they're dangerous. From draining your wallet to wrecking your engine, these myths are like bad advice from your know-it-all uncle. In this video, we are going to debunk 11 dumbest car myths that stupid people fall for. Let's make sure you don't end up one of the misinformed. So buckle up and let's get started. Myth number 1. Premium gas makes every car perform better. Let's start with one of the most famous car myths. Premium gas makes every car perform better. Is it true? False. It is true that premium gas has a higher octane rating, but it is not ideal for all car models. Octane rating indicates the fuel capacity to prevent engine knocking. Premium gas has octane rating 91 or higher, while regular gas has octane level of 87. Premium fuel is ideal for high compression or turbocharged engines. If your car is engineered to run on regular fuel, using premium won't increase horsepower, fuel economy, or engine life. In fact, it's just a waste of money. Unless your car manual says something like, requires premium fuel, stick to regular. High-performance cars often require premium gas due to their engine design. Myth number 2. Warming up your car is necessary. So you start your car on a cold morning, crank the heat, and wait, thinking you're doing your car a favor, right? Nope. This myth comes from older vehicles with carbureted engines that required time to reach optimal operating conditions. However, modern engines with electronic fuel injection don't need long warm-up times. In colder weather, idling for 30 to 60 seconds is enough to circulate the oil through the engine. Driving gently for the first few minutes is actually better, as it warms the engine and transmission more efficiently. Prolonged idling not only wastes fuel, but also generates unnecessary emissions, contributing to environmental harm. If you find these tips helpful, subscribe this channel for more valuable automotive tips and tricks. Your support fuels this channel and keeps the authentic tips coming. Let's move to the next car myth. Myth number 3, oil change every 3,000 miles. The 3,000-mile rule comes from older vehicles, and it's outdated for most modern cars. Advances in engine technology and synthetic oil formulations allow vehicles to go 5,000, 7,500, or even 10,000 miles between oil changes. Some newer cars even have oil life monitoring systems that calculate the optimal change intervals based on driving habits and conditions. Changing oil too often is not only unnecessary but also wasteful. To ensure proper maintenance, always follow the manufacturer's recommended schedule in your owner's manual. Myth number 4. Bigger cars are always safer. Another most common car myth is, bigger cars are safer than smaller ones. Sounds smart, right? But the belief that size equals safety is misleading. While larger vehicles like SUVs may offer better protection in certain collisions, overall safety depends on many factors. Crash test ratings, structural design, airbags, and advanced safety features all play significant roles. For instance, a small car with excellent safety ratings can protect occupants better than a large car with poor ratings. It's essential to look beyond size and evaluate the specific safety features and crash test results of any vehicle you're considering. Myth number 5. Manual cars are more fuel efficient. This was true in the past when automatic transmissions had fewer gears and were less efficient. However, modern automatics, especially those with continuously variable transmissions or dual clutch designs, often outperform manual gearboxes in fuel efficiency. These advanced automatics optimize engine performance by seamlessly adjusting gear ratios to match driving conditions. While manuals may still appeal to driving enthusiasts for their control and simplicity, they no longer hold the edge in fuel economy for most vehicles. Myth number 6. Turning off the AC saves a lot of fuel. It's true that running the air conditioning system uses extra energy as it relies on the engine to power the compressor. However, the difference in fuel consumption is typically small, especially in modern vehicles with efficient AC systems. However, at highway speeds, open windows create aerodynamic drag, reducing fuel efficiency. In these conditions, using the AC is often more efficient than having windows down. For city driving, you might save a bit by turning off the AC, but the impact on highway driving is negligible. So keep this simple formula in your mind. Driving in city, windows down. While driving on highway, AC on. Myth number 7. You should replace all tires at once. For all-wheel drive vehicles, replacing all 4 tires is often recommended because different tread depths can strain the drivetrain and lead to costly repairs. However, for two-wheel drive cars, it is not necessary to replace all tires at once. It's usually safe to replace just the 2 most worn tires, provided the remaining tires still have adequate tread depth. Always install new tires on the rear axle for better stability, as rear tires play a critical role in preventing skids. Rotating tires regularly can help ensure even wear and prolong their lifespan. Myth number 8. Electric cars are slower than gas cars. Many drivers think that electric cars can't run as fast as gas cars, but the reality is opposite. Electric cars have instant torque, which allows them to accelerate much faster than many gas-powered vehicles. High-performance EVs like Tesla are known for their quick acceleration times, even outperforming some sports cars. The myth likely stems from older electric vehicles, which prioritized efficiency over speed. Today, EVs combine performance with sustainability. Their electric motors deliver consistent power, making them ideal for rapid acceleration. Myth number 9. Washing your car too often can damage the paint. The idea that frequent washing harms your car's paint likely stems from improper washing techniques, not the act itself. Regular washing is crucial to remove dirt, road salt, bird droppings, and other contaminants that can corrode the paint over time. However, using abrasive brushes or dirty sponges can cause micro scratches. To avoid this, use a gentle car wash, soap, microfiber towels, and wax periodically to protect the paint. Proper washing actually preserves the finish and resale value of your car. Myth number 10. Inflate tires to the pressure listed on the tire sidewall. The PSI listed on the sidewall indicates the tire's maximum pressure capacity, not the recommended operating pressure. Overinflating your tires to this maximum can lead to a harsh ride, reduced traction, and uneven tire wear. Conversely, underinflating tires can cause poor fuel economy and dangerous handling. The correct tire pressure is usually printed on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb or in the owner's manual. Checking and maintaining proper tire pressure not only ensures safety, but also prolongs tire life and improves fuel efficiency. Myth number 11. Turning off the engine and restarting wastes more fuel. For years, many drivers believed that turning off your engine and restarting it wastes more fuel than letting it idle. But here's the truth. This myth is outdated, and modern cars are designed to handle frequent restarts without excessive fuel use. When your car idles, it still burns fuel to keep the engine running, even if you're just sitting at a red light or waiting in the parking lot. Depending on the vehicle, idling can consume anywhere from 1/5 to 1/2 a gallon of fuel per hour. On the other hand, restarting your car uses only a small amount of fuel, far less than what's burned during prolonged idling. And there you have it, 11 car myths busted. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, smash that like button if you learned something, and hit subscribe for more myth-busting, money-saving, car-loving content.